Hi friends, this video shows how to clear data of an app. Go to settings, set settings icon from top right corner, go down, set apps, set see all apps. Here you can see all installed apps. Go down, let me select one app. Let me select this YouTube app. Go down, here you can see clear cache. Above that you can see clear data. Size of the data is 5.21 MB. I am going to clear this. Select clear data. Select OK. Done. See, data has been cleared. Now it shows size of the data is 0. You can also see that cache also cleared. Size of the cache is 0. So this way we can clear both data and cache. See, you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.